Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. It will help me get this video boosted out. And please share this video out and leave your comments. I love to hear from you every day. Y'all, I've got 3 quick announcements and then I will get into the stimulus stuff. The first announcement is somebody asked me to post a list of the senators that is up for re-election in 2020. So that is going to be linked in the description box below. You can go there and check that out. That was a good idea. Okay, I went to the doctor today and he looked down my throat and everything. He says it still looks very good. He said the chances of my cancer coming back is slim to none. He said I've got the same chances as anybody walking the street that's never had cancer before. He said it's very seldom, very rare is what he said, that it would come back after 2 years, and I've been 2.5 years now. So God answers prayers. Okay, on the stun guns. Y'all, I got some bad news, but then I've got some good news about the stun guns. I had to go up on the price a little bit, $3. The supplier that I was getting them from went up $80 a case. And I complained about it to no avail. He said it was due to the higher tariffs that he has to pay on shipping. So I had to go up $3. As you know, I was only making just a little over $4 a piece on them, and that ate up $3 of that $4. So I just had to bring it back up to where I was still making $4 and some change. So $3 is all I went up. I hope you understand. I know my business is going to slow down, but I hope it don't completely die out. And the good news is I've got more products on my website. It's not only stun guns. I got knives, I got pepper spray, I've got a bundle package. Go check it out. It might be something there you want. Okay, on to the stimulus. The big question right now is, will Nancy Pelosi support the piecemeal bill coming from the Republicans? She has said in the past that she would not be for it. But a few days ago, it looks like she's kind of backing off of her hard stance on the piecemeal, and it looks like she may support it now. The skinny bill that the Republicans are working on to be voted on tomorrow. Now, what do you think about this bill? Will it pass? Or do you think it would just fizzle away? The way it stands right now, there is no stimulus check in it. But will Nancy Pelosi sign off on it? We don't know. There's no stimulus check in it right now, but that is a good bargaining chip for her. So there's a good chance that it could be added into it. And even if they do add the stimulus check into that skinny bill, it's still a skinny bill compared to what it was. So if they can reach a compromise, we may have a stimulus check. Just 2 days ago, I told you about 50 Democrats was wanting Nancy Pelosi to sign off on this new bill. But now it's about 100 Democrats wanting to pass the bill on Saturday. Now that may sound good, but remember, right now there is no stimulus check in it. And if they pass it without a stimulus check, it could be the middle or the end of September before we get a stimulus check passed, if we get one passed then. So the big question is, will Nancy Pelosi sign off on this bill the way it is, or will she bargain in a stimulus check? I think she's going to try to get a stimulus check in there. Will she succeed? We'll have to wait and see. Y'all, please go check out the Stun Gun website. And remember, there's more than just stun guns on there now. The link is down below. And the list for the senators being reelected this year is in the description box below. I love you all. If there's something I need to make a video about later on today, I will. But if not, I will see you tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Also remember, Saturday at 2 p.m. my How to Make Money videos are coming out. I did one last week. I will link it at the end of this video in case you didn't see it. But I will have another one coming every Saturday at 2 p.m. I love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.